Good afternoon. No, not good afternoon, but it's good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, so I heard, Lynn, that you had practice today. What did you practice today, Lynn? What? What is it? Can you share to teacher? Did you have practice in school today? What is it? What did you do in the school?
I'm playing this fence.
Again,
I'm playing this fence.
Okay. And how was it? Was it good? Was it fine?
It's good.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so here, Lynn, I will share to you the screen so we can start immediately with our lesson for this evening. All right, there you go. Okay, so Lynn, this was the lesson that we had, or the activity we did last Tuesday. Do you still remember this? You still remember this, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, so Lynn,
Yes.
before we proceed to the next lesson or the next activity, please read first what are the words that you find or look here in the given screen. Okay, what are those words, Lynn? What are the words, Lynn? The words are, what are the words that you found, Lynn? Door, please read. Next,
There's one rose chimney, window, basement, balcony, stair, nice, grass.
okay. So here, very good. So here on the screen, Lynn, we have the words like the door, the leaves, trees, wall, roof, chimney, window, basement, balcony, stairs, mats, and grass. Now here, Lynn, I have here sentences or short phrases. Now you're going to tell me what is this. Now, Lynn, number one, where on the trees? What is it? What's on the trees? It's the, look at the
Yes.
picture.
Yes.
What's on the tree?
It's lives.
Leaves, correct. Number two, I'm on the first floor outside the window. What is it? First floor outside the window, we call it as?
Balcony.
Very good. We call it balcony. Number three, I'm under the ground at the bottom of the house. Under the ground at the bottom of the house is, what is it? It's, is it, Lynn? I am under
The
the ground.
basement.
Okay, very good. It's a basement. Now here, the cat's sleeping on me. It's the, okay. It's the mat. Next. Number 5, there are 11 of us in this house. 11. There are 11 of us. In
It's
this
a window.
very good window. Okay, Lynn, I have here numbers 1 to 6. You're going to complete the conversation between Sally and Mark. Okay, so Lynn, what you are going to do is to read the conversation and encircle the best answer. Again, Lynn, best. If we say best, so there are numbers here in which there are 2 correct answers or 3 correct answers, but you're just going to encircle one which is called the best. Okay? Okay? All right, go Lynn. Here we go.
minutes.
Brilliant, please read.
I went to the Baptist Post House with my uncle's work. Later be. I not that place. I met the cameraman today. Later be. Well done. They they're making a movie inside the house. Later be. HST. There were a lot of famous people yesterday. Letter A. Really? Is your iPhone is in the movie? Letter C. This series. I can just you pass of the movie on is I
Okay, are you done? Okay, Lynn. Okay, Lynn, are you done? Let's check now.
yes.
Okay. Number one, Sally. I went to that big old house where my uncle works. The answer here is B. I know that place, correct? Two, they're making a movie inside the house. Number two is letter B. How exciting. Three, there were lots of famous people there today. The answer is really, correct? Four, is your uncle in the movie? Yes, he is. Five, I helped the cameraman today. The answer is well done. Six, I can show you part of the movie on my phone. The answer is letter A, fantastic. Okay, very good, Lynn. You did great. You were able to answer this all correctly. Okay, here. How about this one, Lynn? Lynn, use one, two, three, or words to complete the sentences about Sally's afternoon. So what you are going to do here, Lynn, is to write the missing words, numbers 1 to 5, based on the conversation of Sally and Mark. Okay? Try to find the answer. Try to find the answer in Mark and Sally's conversation. Go.
The dog is.
Lynn, please read Lynn.
Sarah's house was in a big old house. The people inside the house are making the movie. Charlie's some famous people there. Charlie's worked with the cameraman today. Charles and Max can watch parts of the scary movie on Sally phone.
Okay, so let's check now, Lynn. Now, first is Sally's uncle works in, number one is big old house, correct? Two, the people inside the house are making a movie, correct? Three, Sally saw some famous people there, correct? Four, Sally worked with the cameraman today, correct? Five, Sally and Mark can watch part of the scary movie on the phone. Very good, Lynn. Okay, perfect. Okay, now Lynn, let's do speaking part 3. Okay, so here, a simple and effective way for you to talk about the differences between the pictures is to make an affirmative statement about one picture and make the same statement negative for the other one. Okay, now here we go. Lynn, I want you to find the differences between pictures A and D. Okay, encircle first, Lynn, the differences, and then later you'll you're gonna tell me what are those differences, okay? Encircle first.
And now it eyes
Okay.
that there are choose trees lost in a picture. These there are trees in a picture. Eyes there that is just clouds. But in a picture is 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 clouds. In a picture I am choose max. But in a picture this is one house. And later the cat is sleeping on the mat. But in the picture this the cat is jumping in the picture. The door is open. But in the picture the door is closed. In the picture is is on. As a balconies most in the picture this is has a door is on the door in the bus in the picture the smiles is it opposite to the door in the picture the in the picture is the mask is A.
Okay, Dan.
Is the last fish quiz class was indoor. Actually, the mess is with the window. In the picture, this has a this last mess. Yes, in the picture, there is another the best mess. It's your business.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I have here two pictures. Picture letter A and picture letter D. So you are very good, Lynn. In the first picture, you can see there that the trees have leaves, but the other one doesn't have. Next, we also have here the door, which is open, and the other one is closed. Next, we also have here the spider. The spider has, wait. Okay, wait. Lynn, you enter again into the Zoom class because Zoom is about to close, okay? Enter again.